area of a parallelogram. In your Aleks Pie, mouse over the green slice, Arithmetic Readiness, to reveal the drop-down list of topics you need to cover. Click on Area of a Parallelogram. Here's an example problem. Find the area of this parallelogram. Be sure to include the correct unit in your answer. Let's click Explain. Here's the formula for the area of a parallelogram. The area is base times height. But where does this come from? The area formula for a parallelogram is the same as for a rectangle. Area equals base times height, or we would say length times width. The blue parallelogram can be reshaped into a rectangle with the same area. And so I'm going to slide this button so we can see this. So a triangle part of this is going to move over to show us that it's a parallelogram is the same thing as a rectangle, and they'll have the same area. And so the area of the rectangle at its base, or at its length, is 8. It would be 8 times 6, which would be 48. In our figure, the base of 13 has a corresponding height of 15. So we use base times height in this formula. And 13 times 15 is 195, and our unit is yards squared. Let's try another one. Find the area of this parallelogram. Be sure to include the correct unit in your answer. Here are my notes for that parallelogram. And so this is my attempt to redraw it. And as a reminder, the area of a parallelogram is the base times height. And so in this one, just like in a rectangle, if this side is 13 inches, so is this side. And so here's our base down here, and our height is 8 inches. So we're going to take 13 times 8, which is 104, and our unit, just like with anything else in area, is in square units, and so this one is inches squared. In my Aleks screen, type in the answer that I got in my notes, 104 inches squared, and click Next. And it says that I got the correct answer. Thanks for watching.